Assalamu alaikum. This is Shaista from Shaista's Cooking. Today I'll show you how to make the best mutton biryani ever. To simplify things, let's cook the biryani in two parts. Towards the end, I'll be giving you a very special beauty tip, so be sure to stick around for that. Let's start. Firstly, I've taken a saucepan and added two medium-sized onions which are thinly sliced. We need to fry these in ghee or oil. It doesn't really matter which one you use, but I prefer ghee. I'll add some whole garam masala, which include black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds and bay leaves. As soon as onions turn golden brown, then I'll add 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. We'll add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. We'll fry it for a few minutes. And add half cup of yogurt, mix well, and we'll also add between 6 to 8 dried plums. Then cook on medium flame and add 750 grams of mutton or beef and fry till the water from the meat dries up. Then add 2 cups of water and cook it till the meat is tender. When it's cooked, we'll remove some of the ghee that comes up on the surface and we'll put it aside to be used in the second half of our cooking. Now the second part. We'll start with rice. Before starting, make sure to wash the rice and soak them for half an hour. Firstly, I'll place a pot of 2.5 liters of water on fire to boil, adding salt to taste. After that, add whole garam masala, cumin seeds, coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilies. After that, remove the soaked rice from the water and add it into the boiling water. And then cook it on medium to high flame. When the rice is about 3/4 done, then drain out the water in the sieve. Now we will layer the rice and meat mixture. Firstly, add a layer of rice and add 2 tomatoes cut into small cubes. After that, add a layer of meat mixture and then over that add the second layer of rice. Sprinkle a pinch of nutmeg and mace powder, some yellow color, a few drops of kebra essence. Lastly, pour the ghee which we removed from the meat in the earlier section. We'll cover and cook on very low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is done. Now it's time for the beauty tip. When you soak the rice in water, don't throw the water away. You can use it for your face. Apply rice water on your face with a cotton ball and leave it for an hour or overnight. And then in the morning wash it with the plain water. It will make your skin soft and smooth without drying out. You can keep this water in the refrigerator for later use. So that's the beauty tip for today. You are going to have some more in the next video. Now the rice is done. Remove from the fire and dish it out. Serve with the raita, the green one. If you did like this video, please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you hadn't done so already. Don't forget to like the video as it is a great way of showing your appreciation. Now see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.